Tip number 4, to deadhead the flower. This will ensure that there is less energy wasted on the dead flowers and it is more given to the other part of the buds for the flowering. If a plant doesn't have any buds, you can also light prune your plant from the top part only, like this, and this will ensure more branches, and more branches will ensure that there are more buds and more flowering. And tip number 5 is to check for pests. Usually there are two pests which you get on hibiscus. First is mealybugs and second is aphids. In this plant of mine I have an aphid attack, so I'll be using 5 to 10 ml of neem oil and some liquid soap in 1 liter of water, and then you have to spray it in once a week to kill all the pests of a plant. So usually pests, what they do is they suck the sap of new buds or new leaves of the plant, which will kill the birds, so and there will be less flowering. And tip number 6 is sunlight. You have to give your hibiscus plant 5 to 6 hours of sunlight daily. Follow these tips and you will get a good amount of flowering on your hibiscus. Good luck and happy gardening.